I'm Jennifer, and I'm so happy you're here because today I am sharing one of my favorite super easy, super delicious recipes. This recipe is for chocolate-filled, chocolate-covered croissants. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. For dessert, I have some butterfly crescent rolls, and I'm going to use dark chocolate chips to turn these into some wonderful, delicious chocolate croissants. I have my oven preheating to 375 degrees. I'm going to open this container of crescent rolls and I'm going to roll them out on this baking sheet lined with parchment paper. I'm going to take the chocolate chips and put them all over the inside, and then I'm going to roll them up and get them ready to bake in the oven. I put the chips on and I'm just going to press them into place so that way when I roll it up, all of the chips stay right where they need to be. And once you roll it, make sure you stick the little end to it really nicely so that it doesn't come unrolled. Once I get them rolled, I'm going to pinch the ends just a little bit to make sure that the chocolate doesn't pour out once it's melted. Now that our little croissants are all rolled up with the chocolate inside, it's time to get them to the oven to bake. These will take approximately 10 to 13 minutes to bake. I have the dark chocolate chips in a bowl and I put a little bit of coconut oil in with them. I'm going to melt them in the microwave and stir them up. And this will be the drizzle that goes over our wonderful chocolate croissants. We'll put this in for about 15 seconds and stir it up. The chocolate is melted nicely, and now it's time to drizzle it on top of the little croissants. And here's how the wonderful, delicious little chocolate-filled croissants covered in chocolate turned out. They'll be absolutely delicious. I am so happy you were here. These croissants are so delicious and they're super easy to make. No one will even know that they're not homemade. I hope you give these croissants a try and realize just how easy and how delicious they are. I'll be so happy if you click the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.